Yo, chat, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to New York Wall Street sessions with myself and my boy Jeff. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Great to be back. How are you?
Always good. I think this is the first in a while, guys. You got a bit of a double dose of Jeff and not of me. Obviously, I was out getting something sorted for 2Gs, which we're going to chat about in a little bit. But Jeff, thanks for standing in for me this morning, brother.
Anytime. I wish I could do it every day.
It is a bad day to be a TP. That it is, Fobs. We had GDP coming out and actually caught that already, so already up on the day. But again, we're not going to talk too much about that. We'll talk about the results. But now let's see what we can cash going into the session. So again, guys, just a heads up, when we're going to start talking about Project G, you will see it is now live. So not completely live, still kind of in like a bit of a pre-launch live. The full live will kind of be probably next week, but it is up and running purely because we want to start getting things for you guys. Keys, what bank? Jason, when you click there on the link, it is there. It says brother FNB. Let me just actually check that. Bank name is not mentioned, bro. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Give me a second then, chat. Hold on.
So it's just us again. Awkward.
Hey, Jason, well, shot for the heads up, brother. Chris is going to quickly edit it, put FMB in there. But yeah, we'll chat about that very quickly, guys. So don't worry about that as of yet. I mean, I love the enthusiasm, but it just says business account. Okay, no, I appreciate that. But we'll fix that now quickly. But before we start chatting about that, guys, we'll obviously go through the markets. Everything is normally very, very quick this side. So when we have that little wait before the markets open, we will talk about it. But let's get into. I mean, Jeff, how's the day been so far for you?
It's been good. Mulk USD Rand.
Yeah.
But that's the only thing. Y'all since yesterday.
Awesome, brother. Awesome. So, Chad, I think let's get right into it. Obviously, we're going to start off here with fundamentals. So, two things. We got prelim, GDP quarterly, unemployment claims, and then 4 o'clock we got home sales. So, this was a very, very easy one to take. Reason being, guys, so prelim GDP, for those that don't know, that is gross domestic profit, obviously quarterly release. And basically what they're looking at there is, in a nutshell, that's your labor market. That is the strength of your labor market. And as we know at the moment, same reasons we could take NFP, we could do CPI, we could do that. We know the labor market is really starting to take shots in the US. So again, very easy one to take with this was the idea that we know the labor market is battling. So that is dollar weakness, number one. Now we're going to go over to unemployment claim. Unemployment claims coming out higher. Why? Also, that leads to labor market battling with the economy. So again, that is 2 strikes for weak dollar. Then we're going to go over to 4 o'clock. You got pending home sales coming out month on month with a dramatic decrease. And again, people are going to be buying less sales. There will be less sales in homes. People buying less houses because why? Economy and labor market battling. So meaning the dollar is struggling. So again, 3 strikes and you are out. That is the dollar being weak. As you guys will see, prelim GDP, even though if you look at it, came out 1.3, that is in the green. Reason it's bullish is just because it came out higher than what they expected. But at the same time, it is still a drop from the previous. So keep that one in mind. So at the end of the day, it dropped. It'll be going to be another big one. Keeps dropping gems as we speak. Yo, guys, if you know how we trade, if you guys have been doing fundamentals, you actually listen and pay attention and not tell me fundamentals don't matter. This already is kind of building up NFP for you. I actually said to Mo took the trade with me earlier. And I said to him, one thing about GDP, which I love, is GDP right now, what this was going to tell us was a big part of why or what NFP is going to be doing next week. Obviously, guys, so we got this one, and obviously for NFP, you guys don't know, all major news events will be traded exclusively with our group, our community. So not on the lives anymore, unfortunately. So if you guys want to be a part of us trading NFP next week, obviously make sure you can join with that link at the top there. But again, we will chat about that in a little bit. So don't ask me if we're trading NFP live. We will be, but with our community. So as we know, that already shows us dollar weakness for the day. Now let's go over to the charts. DXY, we traded bullish. Basically, if you guys remember from the week, obviously we were not in the office yesterday, but we spoke about it having the move down, holding. Yeah, we wanted to see that push because even though we tested, yeah, we filled the news-induced candle of CPI. That was the first tick. We could have the pullback, which tested the 104.165 level, which we spoke about. The big move yesterday coming back in, we said we needed to still test this resistance zone. So this resistance zone hadn't been tested after the initial breakout, and that was basically the test we came for right over there, as you can see. So trading down after that, back to the weekly pivot, and I can just see the very, very big drop coming out for DXY. Probably tomorrow, maybe a bit of reversal, but for the day, I'm expecting some type of move like this, the push down. Once you're back at this key level tomorrow, maybe a bit of an inside day. So that's what I'm going to be looking for the rest of the week, most likely. Now, because of that, if we say that, obviously, what does that mean for indices? Indices, we are still bullish. So we spoke about this, guys. This can be your pullbacks. We can have these type of moves. You can have there, bearish, big push, bearish, big push, bearish. So as much as this is there, first thing that means if this candle wants to hold, one thing we need to see is at least 50% retracement to see can we break or does it hold as resistance. So at this point in time, we haven't had that yet. So on the 4 hour, we can see us testing these lows, a little level of support and coming back up. So again, big breakaway from our initial zone over there. You can see where that retest came in. That caused our breakaway. So we could even consider this zone to be tested again in the future, 18,800. But on the 30-minute, when we look at trading nicely above, what you can see is basically, I always talk to you guys, the part of the reversal, Asia highs, Asia lows. Take out Asia lows with a fake out, holding the level of support, basically get back above. Took out your Asia highs that were untested, now we're over here. So what I would like to see for market open is if we can maybe get a pushback, which would retest those Asia highs. And there we see that big push back up to the weekly pivot, daily pivot, and our EQ up here. And there's that 4-hour breakaway. So that would be the move for the day I'd like to see on NASDAQ. With US 30, guys, again, very, very simple. We are bearish on the daily because, as I said, you don't want to be catching falling knives. If you took the US 30 trades we were talking about in the week, I think it was Monday, Tuesday, we were talking about it, which we, I think, missed out on. We just couldn't get the entry. But I said to you guys, this thing was coming all the way back down for this key level, and then literally can go all the way for these lows and key level down here. But at the same time, the fact we had GDP have a bit of a turnaround, that can show us now in the 4-hour a little bit of this. So if we start holding this, that will be a nice turnaround, a nice reversal, trading back up. But again, we want to first see what happens here. So you can see what has happened. We've had Asia highs, Asia lows, traded back up to Asia highs, and we're holding. So as much as what we can see here, guys, gold has been happening a lot. We just see in the reversal of it now. Okay, so there's your lows, Asia lows, there's your highs. What do you see? We've got a nice equal target. Now you're going to go over here and you're going to see this, and what do you see? Every single time you're getting higher and higher. It's literally reversing. So if this now can reverse, what I would look for is if this can get back here on a break of this is where I'm going to look to go long. Asia highs untested and the reversal. So all about if we get a reversal and break it. This carries on down, can just melt away. But we actually want to be looking for the buys once you can break it back above. So that's the plan there. And then lastly, guys, gold from my side. What we're going to be looking at is, again, a bullish move. So we traded down, as you can see, down, big push up, held on the failure, retesting that support. So there's your retest, and now trading back up. On the 4-hour, what happens for us? You've tested this zone, big bullish move back up, break, closure up here. That's just your buy continuation. So on the 30-minute, you can see there's your break, retest, hold above, trading there. So very, very simple for me, guys. Anything above here, you really can be looking for those buys. You've had the retest, so market open. Hopefully if this doesn't run away, maybe even has a bit of a pullback, but still closes bullish, I'm going to look to go long. You've got the daily pivot being tested now, but we want to see this 4-hour rejection turn support, daily EQ, and you can even actually look for anything above there to go long. The big thing for today, guys, is we needed to get above 340, which was your Asia highs. The fact we are trading above it nicely, back above this, we want that bullish move. If we rejected 2340, as I said a little at the end of today's London session, if we rejected 2340, 2300 would have been on the cards. But now you got fundamentals to back up gold having a bit of a recovery run, and again, technically also that happening. So definitely going to take more bullish outlook on gold today. But that is pretty much everything from my side. Jeff, what are you looking at, brother?
Okay, so from my side, we can see DXY is pushing down all day. Asian high untested, like I mentioned this morning, I would have loved to see the move where they tap into that high and then drop basically. But looking further into it, we are at the weekly pivot and we still have this demand zone all the way down here, which could become a point of interest for us in the future. So initially, either one of two things can happen over here. At the weekly pivot, at the S1, in this demand zone, tap the fair value. So it's either price can now move all the way to the upside, or alternatively, once we get to the daily pivot, break of structure, here's an unmitigated supply zone with a fair value gap, and that also lines up more or less with 405. So we could easily also see this happen, and then price continuing towards the downside. So it's very hard for me to say right now it's going to happen. I would have to see whether the price will actually make new lower lows, or whether when we get to this point where we have a sharp move up, break above. But if there's rejection, we're definitely going to look for a weak dollar. And then let's look at EU. So for EU, I would love to get into sales, but I have to see price travel all the way up. So we can see price has broken above the pivot, break of structure, demand zone down over here. So I would love to see EU trade all the way down to this level and look for potential longs. Then on GU, very similar. Initially this morning, I wanted to see price tap the weekly S1, but we can see we also have a demand zone up here. So we just need to see how far price will actually travel on DXY to actually form that correlation for us to see where we can get in on GU. And then on gold, Gold has broken above this level, a change of character, nothing note. So initially I would have been bearish on gold if gold is something like this, rejecting it immediately. But then we can see a change of character and a further break of structure. So I want to see price trade down into this demand zone at 23.35 and then continue looking for that longs on gold towards the upside. And also we have the weekly open up here targeting this untested Asian high and the R1. And then looking at USDT, I want to see USDT trade down to this demand zone at the S1 which mentioned this morning. So I want to see USDT trade down and then go up. And then on Nasdaq, I want to see Nasdaq initially either one of two places, either trade down towards this demand zone so we can look for longs, or alternatively we'll continue trend. We have a daily pivot, weekly pivot, supply zone, and we have that fair value gap at that point to potentially look for a short towards the downside towards the S1 for us to continue bullish. But that's me.
All right, Chad. There you have it. Let's just see here quickly. All right. Okay, Chad. So let's talk here quickly. Austin, Jeff, and Keegs. How do you guys get the R1s and Asia highs and lows? Francois, Asia highs and lows we manually set. It's from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning, so we manually mark those out. Then with the R1s, that is with the pivots indicator. So with the pivots, you get the daily pivot and your support and resistance, which is your S's and R's. But Chad, let's go over to quickly, while we wait now, talk about Project G membership, the pre-live, we're going to call it. Reason we're saying that, guys, is the big thing was, I know a lot of you guys are interested in it, a lot of guys want to do it, and we obviously, the big one is guys want to trade the news events. So we don't want to be like, oh no, we're not going to do that. We want to trade the news. It's definitely a big selling point for it. But we are literally just being, the PSPs have been a bit of a delay on our side of things. So that we are getting sorted out, but the PSPs might only be up end of next week, meaning obviously the big one, NFP, you possibly would miss. So what we're looking to do, guys, is basically see us have NFP trade and being the first one in celebration of the group. So because basically catering for the guys that we can do NFP, what we have done is we are then going to go and do the manual thing. So we manually have to then have you guys pay this first month and then manually add you guys all to the group, stuff like that. So it was just a way to cater for you guys. I know it's not the best, as we said, literally after probably about a week when the PSPs are on board, it will run a lot smoother. But again, this is literally to cater for you guys. So we do excited for that, really keen to get it going. We just got all our logins, things that we need to do. So you guys can go over to Project G. You guys can do those payments, do the process, send proof of payment, and then we will get you guys over. Brent Johnson Keys, how much would it be? Brent, please don't be lazy, brother. The link is pinned right over there. You can click on the link and go see all the details you need to see. But Project G is a 750 Rand membership for the month, and at the same time you receive the same value as your fee. So you receive a 750 Rand coupon code to go purchase a Vault Funder account. And at the same time, guys, we just want to put this out there. So as I said, purely alone, all major news events will be traded. Obviously the ones we think off the top of our head, you've got CPI, NFP, FAMC, okay, major ones. Those will all be traded. The other guys, these Furus charge you 250 Rand. We just put it out there per event. So there's already your 750 just trading the 3 events. Now you're still getting your mentorship. You're getting 3 weekly calls. You're going to be doing boot camps. You get priority. You get discount codes. And then at the same time, if you guys, if the community, but again, it's for the community. So if you guys decide, listen, guys, like now, half an hour ago, let's trade GDP. Then we will trade GDP if that's what the community wants. So it's not catered to anything specifically. We will always be improving. There's indicators that we're actually having developed. So all of our strategy, all the indicators we want are going to be put into one indicator. So that, for example, the guys that don't have the paid trading view can have the free trading view, but still have 5 of our indicators in one indicator. There's the things of eventually the end goal. We got the app coming in the future. So there's the app which will be running everything. So there is a lot coming on board for it. So definitely will be worth it. There will be giveaways. There's a royalty program. There's a lot coming to Project G. Geek, so no more trading CPR on the 2G trading live. Mindset Club, no brother. That is purely all news trading will be exclusive for the group. Cool, super excited to have already sent my pop. Hey, hello, excited to have you there, brother. And as I said, you will have a bit more access to myself and to Chris. Literally, as I say, and the thing is, guys, much as we want to do these tours, we want to do like events, we want to do stuff, you need to pay for it. So it just helps that not everything entirely is just being fitted from our pockets, and we can do these things to come see you guys, host these events and trading events. What is the cutoff, Keeks? Bro, there's no cutoff. Remember, it's a monthly fee, so you can sign up whenever. You can sign up whenever you feel like it, and obviously the date of your sign up is tracked, so your membership will just run till that date of the next month. Otherwise, then you will re-sign up. So you can sign up whenever you want, bro. So you don't have to sign up in the pre-sign up if you don't want to now. You can wait till the pay gateways are up, because we've got Pay Fast and a few other ones as well. So some proper pay gates will also be up and loud, so you guys don't have to worry about doing the manual payment the whole time. Like, man, there are no major news events traded live. So nothing changing really. Yeah, the thing is, we did it every now and again just for you guys for fun. Can we do a bulk sign up, $750 for 3 months, for example? Alex, unfortunately not, brother. I think it's something we'll work into the future, but for now, unfortunately not. Yeah, it's just a bit of a admin problem doing it. As I say, we can maybe look at doing that in future, but for now, unfortunately not, brother. Considering you have international viewers, you're still missing some banking information. Peter, you need the Swift code, eh? If for the international guys, I will have that also edited and put in there for you right now. Give me a second.
Hair Fabs.
All right. Okay, Peter, I think it's a Swift code. We are adding a like bank address. For personally, I don't think you need the bank address. I can't remember the last time I did an international payment, brother. If you do, let us know. We will then add that in. But I think it's just a Swift code, but we added that in now for you. Chris is doing it right now. Cool. Let's grow this community, guys. Yeah, as I say, guys, there is gonna be a lot coming to it. I promise you'll be worth it. We've always said to you guys, we are not against memberships and stuff, or let's just call it this way, we're not against like VIP groups and these paid communities, as long as what you're delivering is worth it, then 100%. And that's also why specifically, guys, we wanted to call this a membership, because calling it a Project G and calling it a membership rather than a VIP and a signals group, because we want you guys to show that you're part of a family, you're going to be part of something bigger than that. But there's a lot we're going to put into this. Now that we have a valid reason to use our DGen accounts more frequently, full board, lol. Yeah, Fobs. Can there be a timetable and diary of what it will include, time slots, so those will work a day job, can plan and maximize profit? G. Mohammed, we actually are going to do that. So that is what literally the very first call on Sunday, when we had the very first live call with the group, we are going to plan with the group. So we'll talk to the guys that are in that first call and be like, what is the best time for this call? What is the best time for that call? All of this, and plan it with the community, which is like a most negotiable way to do it with everyone. Jeff J's more still alles alright.
Alles is alright. Alles is alright. Alles is alright. Planning for supper tonight. Planning with the lady here. It's hard to think when you have so many things to do.
I'm not sure. I haven't done one in a while, in a long time. Yeah, bro. That's just also haven't. So if any of the guys who are in our international viewers, if they are going to do it, just let us know. We will happily add it in as quick as we can. But I think it is just the Swift code. Then this is the real VVVIP group. Yeah, exactly, bro. Just to combine USD with a tight TP. Kakiso, I also want the buys, bro. So I back you on it, bro. This is going to be good. Really excited in my what you guys are offering. Yeah, really appreciate it, Forbes. That's just say, guys, I don't want to be throwing too much here. It's not just about a marketing day, but there's a lot of things I also want to say that aren't Forex related. So trust me, all the Forex stuff will be there. You're going to have it. But there's going to be another side to it. Still finance stuff, but there will be the other spheres of finances there as well. Jex, it has, brother. It's basically the pre-live. So the link that's pinned there, bro, that is for the guys that want to pre-join already, purely because, as I said, the PSPs have just been a little bit delayed. So we don't want to have to keep the guys waiting as we promised. So we have to manually do everything, but at least we can still get the group going. So the PSPs will only be on board in maybe like a week's time. But that's it, guys. 2 minutes till market open. What the hell's Smart App? What the hell? I'm so confused. What the hell is that? Chad, what's a Smart App?
Oh, what thing?
A Smart App?
Aren't all apps supposed to be smart?
No. What?
Wait, which is it from a company or something?
A Smart App. I'm so confused. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look later. No, but it's like someone paid money into my account and then took it out. But like, oh, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. Put Favor to sleep, please. Sam Trillion. Yeah, bro. I don't know what Favor's on about the whole time. That man's on a mission. But chat, that is it. Markets are open. Round. I don't know what this is, guys. Fight. Let's see. Okay, guys, we got USD vibrating. We've got Nasdaq turning bearish, as we say. We want to see this probably retest Asia highs, then turn around. You got gold having a bit of a pullback as well. DXY trying to hold the S1. So everything vibrating at the moment, guys. Just vibrating it out. Is there a time limit, Prodigy? Sorry if you said already missed it. Slashy, there's not a time limit, brother. It is a monthly thing, so it's just a case of you sign up when you sign up, and that's it, bro. That's the process, my brother.
It's so
Those-
hectic.
Sorry, man. Yeah.
And also hectic. When you walk in, it's so quiet.
Yeah.
And you put the earphones on, and then it's a party.
Yeah. Does this mean the winner of the Fun Account Challenge will also be announced next week, or has that already happened? Alte Biersig, we are going to announce it tomorrow, brother. It is a Friday, so we thought we'll do it on Friday, so we can do it tomorrow for you guys. Because basically there's no point in pre-signing up if it is live already. So yeah, the pre-sign up, we will do that giveaway tomorrow for you guys. Let's go with that USD Mars. As I told you, bro, I back you on it. It was a good setup. Asia has untested, so very, very simple. Just basically got to watch out 50-minute shuffle. That's why I won't take it. But nothing wrong with that.
Damn it, man.
Let's see if the entry presents itself. Yeah, I'd love to get an entry on this, guys. Because if we get this, that was a very, very big one momentum candle. I think this, you definitely can run this up to the EQ. Catch a beautiful, beautiful move here today. So that is the plan of action, yeah. Yeah, looking at everything, NAS, I think NAS, Asia highs, and US30, I think is the best moves for us here today, Chad. Gold, I think, anything above here, really, I think we can maybe look at. But US30 is what I'm keen on here today, Chad. I won't lie, that's what I'm keen on. I smell bulls. Hey, that's it, bro. That's it. Okay, cool stuff. We just gets back. Well, I hope it's not tomorrow or the next few days because I still need. But yeah, Slashy, I don't know if you were here then, or you said that. Thanks, brother. Okay. But guys, trust me, we are so excited for it. I promise you, like Chris and myself are going to be giving everything to it. Like that's going to be our new baby. Very, very excited for it. Thoughts on Match Trader? I don't know. I've never even heard of them. I won't even lie to you. Never even heard of them.
I know why he's asking that.
Why?
So
Is it a South African thing?
no. So usually when prop firms say, "Oh, we're switching platforms," that's when the problems start, isn't it?
Yeah. What's up, G's? What's up, Nila? Oh boy. So is that a prop firm?
No, it's a platform that this prop firm is moving to.
Oh.
Is that
damn.
prop firm I told you about that screwed me while I was in profit and they breached my account?
Oh yeah. Bro, why do you go for these funny prop firms?
The thing is, the only reason why I went there, a lot of people started posting them and they were cuck cheap.
Aye, bro. A
And
lot of
now-
people also posting Windloo, but they cuck as well.
But it's come to realize that we only have one option here. That's either Volt Fund or FTMO.
Yeah. Guys, my thing is, I've always said this to people. I'm too poor to buy cheap. So think about that.
That's actually a good saying.
You
That's a
can
good
buy
saying.
you can buy something cheap, but in 3 months you're gonna buy the same thing about 7 times. Where I'll save up and you buy the proper thing, the real deal, the quality item. That quality item will last you 10 years.
But wait, so did they breach your account? I don't know. Did they breach you?
I'm using Vault Funder soon. Brother, come join the family. What is Prodigy? Always miss the story about it. Taku, please, bro. You can go back if you want to look at the whole thing explanation about it. Literally about 10 minutes ago. But in a nutshell, Project G is our paid group. That's going to be our baby. That is going to be live calls, weekly prep calls, fundamental calls, boot camps. Yes, there is signals, so trades we take off stream as well. All news events will be traded in Project G. So Project G is, in other words, other people's VVVIP groups, but ours is a family, and that's Project G. Also, as I said, there is trading, but there's a lot of other stuff that's also going to be part of it. So that is Project G in a nutshell. I got this kind as a gift, but you're it's cuck. I couldn't trade this whole week, Jeff. Second time they had to migrate from brokers and platforms. Hey, bro, this is like a horror story to me. This is just reminding me of of the funded trader. All the V's. So yeah, guys, we really are excited for it. Super stoked to get everyone in the group as the payments and that start coming in. Get the guys on the group, see the community we're working with, and have, like I said, have that first call on Sunday. That'll be very exciting.
Jix, I'm assuming that was a typo. Wink, wink.
Project G gonna show you how to put those profits to make you cash. Also, Forbes, the man knows where it's at, guys. I've always said this: if you want true wealth, true success, you need to find a way to make your money work for you. Maybe that's in Project G. There is, as I said, there's Forex, and there's gonna be finance. There's gonna be a lot of it in there.
I'm just making sure, Jix. Just making sure.
NYC, when does it start? Because I filled in what? NYC.
Nice one.
Yo, bro. I'm like, what? Guys, you know I'm old. That's what you know.
Nah, the only reasoning why I know so many weird spellings is because I deal with so many people.
Yeah.
So it's like I've had to adapt. Sometimes I catch myself typing like that. Now I'm joking. It doesn't rub off.
Taku, if you filled the other form, let's just say if you go to that link has the prices there, brother. It has it in there. So the previous link you probably was the pre-registration, which you had to fill in your email, stuff like this, but this is the pre-registration. So yeah, if you literally want to go join now, that's the one you have to go click on. All the payment and all that information's in there. Used to hit my TP, then went back to my entry, got another entry. Oh, Kagiso's gonna be milking the markets, yeah. Let's see what NASDAQ does. Be a difficult market for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, so NASDAQ, guys, did hit the alert. I did see it go off. So that is our test there. We just want to see if it's going to hold above Asia highs. So still 6 minutes of the 50-minute shuffle. And gold testing that rejection zone. So things getting interesting now for us. That is why we are waiting patiently, guys. That's why we have this 50-minute shuffle. Finance will make you cash long term. Got stung to the 106% return, paying wealth forward. Exactly, Fobs. Exactly, my brother. I love showing people that get it. I love it. And the thing is, guys, in what Fobs is talking about there is, I'm not going to say it loud. There's areas, for example, myself, I'm literally going to be starting off. Like starting fresh, like a little newborn baby. So you guys are going to see myself and my portfolio grow at the same time. So you're going to grow it literally with me. Is the price going to increase, Jex? No, brother. That's why
it depends on inflation.
That's why we actually went with that price, because it was a case of not increasing, not decreasing, none of that. Chris and myself are debating on it still. There will be probably one sale a year. One sale for the membership. And like I said, that's a year. So right now, for example, that won't happen this year. So it would only be from next year. But when something is on value, it doesn't need to be discounted. So it's a very good thing. And guys, like just to put in perspective, Chris could tell you himself as well, probably even Jeff as well. There's communities I've been part of, guys, where I learned a lot. Like I did learn a lot, but those are communities you're paying 5,500 rand a month.
Yeah,
that's the membership fee. Like I'm not saying this is a mentorship or once off. A membership fee you're paying 5,500 rand.
So a month. my mentorship with my mentor ended. So I had a 3-year program with him. You know, once I had to get back in $1,000. And it's like, damn.
That's what I say, guys. So, and like I say,
But it's like also like, for instance, because I know what I'm getting, I don't mind paying that money again.
But that's what I was about to say. When I paid that money, for example, it's worth it. Those guys bleed and sweat for that community. Like, there's so much knowledge there. And that's going to be the same thing, yeah. So some people might, as I said, be like, oh, that's expensive, but you'll go spend 1,000 rand on a club on the weekend.
And also you must remember, guys, the same thing I always say. Like, if someone provides like for instance, a good example, whether it be like, for instance, my course, whatever Keegan are gonna provide, it takes time to create that. Then you're taking time out of your day again to actually sit with you guys. That's time that I don't like to say this because it makes you is this negative thing that I'm a trader, I don't need your money, but it's like it's time you could have used on something else.
Yeah. So Taku, the 750 Vault Funder coupon, what that is basically, that's the way we kind of showing you, it's giving you back. It is so beneficial for you. So literally it's a case of you almost getting the membership for free, because the thing, as I said to you guys earlier, if you go trade news with any of these other Furus, you basically are paying 250 Rand per news event. So you're already getting all the major ones covered for us for cheaper than that, because there's about 5 major ones. So they're already looking at like 1,200.
Also, guys, let me quickly read you guys something. I won't mention his name. 23 May. This guy messages me. He's like, he wants to know what his daily limit on a funded account is and so forth. Now, I do understand if you're new to things, like you don't know, you ask, right? But you must also read. Do your reads. If you're serious about something and you want to learn, you will you will make the effort to find information and not per se just ask people to spoon feed you, right? That's the first thing I want to say if you're truly passionate about something. So eventually it's like this guy's asking me all these questions that's public information. So I'm like, bro, like you need to get yourself a mentor, someone who can actually guide you through this. Then he's like, honestly, I'd waste 15k on funded challenges and learn from my own learn from my own mistakes than mentorship program. Then it's like, okay, bro.
Feel like I'll never be a trader.
Then it's like, okay, bro, if that's how you feel. That was the 23rd of May. Tuesday. Hi, Jevin. Do you still offer mentorship? And it's like, bro, even if I do, but I don't want you as a client now. You've already shown me your mindset. I can really see that you're going to be one of those difficult clients that want to become rich overnight. And it's like, yo, guys, mindset is everything, man.
Yeah, but as I was saying, to answer Taku, so you obviously getting all the news trading. Then also you getting the mentorship on top of that, and then the value, because technically it's just another way of showing you we're giving you that help of growing as a trader. So the 750 coupon is basically, you can then go purchase any Vault Funder account with 750 Rand coupon. So it'll be 750 Rand off whatever account you buy. So it's almost as if you've bought the membership for free, and that same amount of money you've just got to put on a proper account. So yeah, that will basically, so every month when your payment goes off, you'll receive your coupon. But to be fair, adding a price is good, as it ensures that people who really will want to be, yeah, Jay, that's the thing, bro. It's you eliminate the crap. I've always said that to guys. That's the thing. When you go to, think of it like a bar, or not a bar, I don't want to say a bar, but if you go to a restaurant, there's automatically a class when you go in there. If I go into a place and a bottle of wine is $80, I can tell you the caliber that's going to be there. But if I go to a place and a bottle of wine is 7,000 Rand a bottle, I can tell you the caliber that's going to be there. So, yeah, you basically bring in the people you truly want to work with, the people that want to learn, the people that want to make it. Because that's the thing, guys. We were actually still talking about it. We were even going to put a 100% money back guaranteed, because that's how confident we are in this. So if you are not happy, if you can show us you haven't learned, you haven't benefited, you haven't made money on your account, we're going to give you your money back. Like, that's how confident we are in this. So we are still going around it purely because of legal things and stuff like that. We, other than guys coming trying to still make money and then being like, oh, I made my money, I want to go out and I get my money back. So it's just a legal thing to try and do it. But that, again, that is just how legally we are confident in it. That's reasonable for the value you put in with Project 5130. Keys, not even adding the free lives daily. You guys are always on time. You never cancel streams just like that. Vince, really appreciate it, brother. But yeah, the Project 5130 was like, you're just on the top of the water, bro. You're just edging it on what we're going to get into. I'll pay the 750 tonight and I'm in. I've been in free groups and there's people who just join to copy trades. Exactly, Jared, yeah. You share psychology advice, you share fundamental insights, all the free stuff we would have paid thousands for. And that's the thing, guys. Once the community is even big enough, just to give you an idea of the talks, we are going to bring on a terminal for you guys that you guys will have access to. So the guys that can't afford to do $25,000 a year for a terminal, we are going to bring one for the stream. And the whole group would be able to have access to that terminal. That's why I say, like, you got to have money to pay for things, but it's just going to keep leveling the community up. 100% sign up, gents. I've already been mentored, but I'm taking back, by the way, you guys operate. Jared, we really appreciate the words, brother. We'd love to have you as part of the family. People pay premium for quality, and that's what everything in the world. Exactly, Fobs. Can you stack the coupons, for example, if I buy my first challenge, but I want to use the coupons every month to save for a more bucks count? Would that be possible? Alex, again, at the moment, it's not. But Chris did say he'll see about it. He's going to see what they can work. But at the moment, it's not. I'm not going to lie to you. At the moment, it's not. They don't expire, but you wouldn't be able to.
Well, the chat is looking for these loopholes. Yeah.
I thought you said you pay in the 750 for me. Welcome aboard, Project G. I'll also pay for it over the weekend. Have it done like that. Nah. Because we basically rewarded a fun challenge to be on the group, to put it in simple terms. Yeah, basically, Kaylin. 750 baby, let's run the sheet. Yeah, Connor, it's gonna be next level, bro. It's gonna be next level. And there's also gonna be the trade alert. So also, guys, that's actually a big one. I don't even know how I didn't talk about that. There's gonna be a trade alert system. So you're gonna literally have a live link, in a nutshell, to myself and Chris's account. So this is a way, guys, we can't even hide it. So it's not like I can be like, oh guys, I'm entering the trade, yeah, I'm not gonna tell the stream. You guys are gonna be linked to our accounts. So if we take a trade, you automatically, like a signal, are going to get a message saying, I bought NAS now. That's the price I bought it at. There's my TP. There's my stop loss. And it's linked to the account. If I close the trade, you'll be notified I closed the trade. So literally, you guys, so the idea about that is this trades we take off stream, on stream, you'd get all of them. But also at the same time, again, it's for guys to help you out. So if you guys, yes, we know a lot of you would love to sit here for 3 hours, for example, in the morning. But you guys have jobs. So as much as you'd love to, you might only be able to sit here for an hour, hour and a half. So what that allows for is that you can still, as much as you'd love to be there and you can't, you don't want to miss the trade. You will then be sent when we do take a trade. So it's just to accommodate for other guys as well. So as I say, there's a lot of things which is purely to help you guys as traders. Going to be grand, guys. With the live still be on even through Project G has launched. Yeah, Devin, this 2G's trading, the YouTube, the lives will still be here. So the normal lives, the London session, Wall Street sessions, they are not going anywhere, brother. This is still for the community. This is what I say. So the free stuff will always be here.
I think Mo and
it will never ever go away.
I think Mo and I have proved this morning, if you guys are ever busy, we can hold the fort down.
Did you guys take a trade with the guys today?
Oh no, I wanted to take gold, but I wanted the sells, but then the way it moved, I didn't want that to happen, so it's like invalid the trade.
I'll check. So just check when you guys plan on doing the lives. Wait, what? So just to check, when do you guys plan on going live on this amazing journey? So man, it is live. That is what the pin thing up there, Prodigy membership. It's live now. Everything is not running like it should be yet. So for example, the trade alert system isn't live yet. The app isn't live yet. Those are things that are going to come. But all the weekly calls, those things are going to happen. The trading news is going to be there. It's just all the extra benefits are going to come in time. But you can go join already. Let's just say the community will only grow, but the price isn't going to. The price is going to stay the same, even when those things start adding to the group.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just thinking, man. It's time he must just make peace with it, bro, and get a new account.
That would be amazing. Oh, brother, I think it's gonna help a lot of people. Is there a signal channel, or is it the one that is coming? Fix, I don't know what you're talking about, but in, for example, the paid group, there will be a signal area. So that's where even the trade alerts will send it there. But until that is up, Chris and myself manually will be sending any trades we take. So whether it's now on a live, we'd still send it to the group if that person, for example, isn't on the live. That would get sent to them as well. Thanks, Legend. Sometimes when I miss a live, I go back to watch it once I clock out of work. Oh, Devin, good point again. Just to add, for educational purposes, because again, guys have lives, they're busy. The pre-market analysis we will do on Sundays, all those type of things. The boot camp calls, we will be doing education, whatever it's on, psychology, technical, fundamentals, sentimentals, whatever it is. Every call will also be recorded. So every video will actually have a saved video library. So you can always go back to rewatch lessons, things like that. What is this?
Someone, yes, I have used them, but then those are people that breached my account while I was up, which makes no sense. Asked me for my logins, my details, and just never got back to me. So it's like, yeah, I haven't taken the shot at them yet, like Keegan and Chris took at to find the trader, but when the time is right,
I have no clue who all these people are, bro. I love how like copyright music is there.
Isn't
so
that your
much
guy? Isn't that Inif?
Yeah, but I'd never heard these ones before. Let's equal game changer. Yeah. How much would you need to start being profitable? Chronic, it changes, bro. You can start off, like, I won't even lie, bro. When I started trading, I used to make a lot of money. I traded with 500 Rand a day. That's what I was doing. So, like, for me personally, I used 500 Rand and I became a profitable trader.
Yeah, you don't. It's nice to have a lot of money, but you don't need a lot of money.
As I say, just be realistic in the sense that with the 500, you're going to become profitable what your initial deposit is. But I'm not saying with 500 Rand you're going to be making 10,000 Rand a day. That's not what I'm saying. But you will be making. Because again, that's where compound comes in. Too much value. I bought an account on Monday. Hope the news at 4 will push you a steady up. I think it will, guys. Their broker went down. Now they're migrating. President charge back. How much is the payment on you? And I'm not understanding what you're talking about. Gift Moses, please, brother, just go back. I've been going over this whole time. I don't want to keep irritating the guys. Like, sound like a broken record. Just go back. You'll find the section where I'm talking about it. But it basically is about Project G, the membership. Just click on the pinned message and you'll see all the details about that. Austin G's and Chad, what's up, King Shack? On prop firms, what does minimum trading days actually mean? So when a trade is placed, that makes it a trading day. So it means basically there has to be 5 days minimum you actually traded. Jeff, X Divine been killing Jex, bro. I love it. I'm obsessed. Been playing with the boys, myself, Garen, Han. We've been jamming that. Can I get a recovery signal so I can pay for Project G? Ed, bro, we need to be asking you for the recovery signal. You've been killing it, bro. Pay for Project G. Yes, King Shack, there's a price to Project G. What is the... Okay, King Shack, please, bro. just go back. Just go back. We spoke... I know you've been here, maybe not now, like when I went on it and honest about it, but you've definitely been here before other streams where we spoke about Project G. Good news, push gold up too. Maybe I'm in a buy on the pivot. Dion van us. Yeah, if the news comes out bearish, which it should, I'm expecting gold, NAS, and USD all to go bullish. Do you play card, Keegan? I do. I really enjoy it, but I've actually deleted it. Just been over it. It's not the same anymore. I purely play ranked, and I'm just over it. I wasn't having fun anymore. Every time I played the game, it's meant to de-stress, and I just was more angry when I came off. So, yeah, I deleted it. I can't even tell you when last I played it. King said you get strippers and Keeks, you should try extra fine. So, man, just saying, I've been playing it with the boys. Since I've been playing every night. I love it. Extra fine bathing card, 100%, bro. I will 100% stick with the guys that are obviously calling extra fine the card killer. 100% agree. And the thing is, the better it's getting now, the more investors they're going to have going to the company. The game's only going to get better. Only better and better. So, I'm loving it, bro. I'm ready for Dota. Bro, then you must hit up Chris. Chris was literally, he's been a DJ in the last like 3 days. He's been playing till like 2:30 in the morning. Chris he's like competing in ranked at the moment on Dota. Anyone else been having an issue with the email? With the email? What's the username? Keys, gotta stay out the lobbies. I think it's Scooby, bro. I think Scooby, yeah, because it's linked to my Ubisoft account, Scooby. It needs to have a bit more changes. Did you buy the Battle Pass keys? No, I haven't bought it yet, bro. I actually should, but I haven't bought it yet. How do you look for when news gets released and take a trade based on it? Kid, that is fundamental knowledge, brother. It's just a case of understanding fundamentals. Again, if you just go back to the very start of the stream when I spoke about fundamentals, you'll see how I broke down what I was looking for there. Chad, what time even is the news coming out? 4 o'clock. So, a minute, 30 seconds. For the game we just released, it's good. Bro, consider how many games released, and like big games, like AAA games, get released, and the first 4 to 5 months, they are dog shit because they have so many bugs. Like Extra Fine's doing really good off release. They want to send proof of payment. Guys, hold on. Has anyone else had an issue with the sending proof of payment? Because I know a few other guys have said they've paid and no one there said they had issues. Just anyone else, if you did sign up already or pay already, just let me know. Is there an issue with the email? It's at key 4. Yeah, I gave my PS to my little bro. F124 is I'm gonna play this year. Quite had a really good launch 2 in 2019. Extravine had a bad beta, no SS servers. Yeah, the beta wasn't the best, but they've got a SA server. Well, they don't have an SA server. They got an Africa server. Considering if you look at places like even Fortnite doesn't have an Africa server, so Extravine's got something going for it there. Chad, obviously I'm just watching here. Nasdaq is holding this, but obviously we do have news coming out now in 20 seconds. Keeks, did you play COD in lockdown? I played a little bit, bro. The biggest thing was I was actually playing FIFA in lockdown, funny enough, because I was playing in the tournaments, making some cash. So in lockdown, I was actually like very, very big in my FIFA. There we go, guys. Okay, news out. Let's see what the news came out as. Pending home sales. Oof. Big drop, as you said. That's a massive miss for DXY. Big miss. So there we want to see gold up. Nasdaq, USD, we want to see everything go up. Bank will send the proof of payment as well. Rian, I'm not getting what you're saying, brother. I don't understand. Did you see 2K micro at the new FIFA? Oh, bro, honestly, I won't even lie to you. Like, I don't even know what to think about these new FIFAs anymore. I really don't. On PS5, Headboy 13. Jex, I'm guessing what were you, the Headboy in 2013? Or what? Where's the name come from? I've been playing since day one. have to disagree with you. I actually regretted buying EA. Only play with with the boys now. Funny enough, guys, gold looks like the only one that's actually acting quite properly. I was Keys, so I'm trying to buy a challenge on Vault Fund, and every time I click on the pick a challenge, nothing happens. Let me have a look here, brother. Let me have a look here for you. Log in. Bro, what is this thing going off my account the whole time?
What's that?
I keep getting this 750 page, 750.
Oh, liquidity injections.
But it's not, nothing's reflecting in my account. Like, there's nothing reflecting, there's nothing showing your pending.
It could be if it's different banks that you're receiving your notification, but it will take time to reflect. It could be that. However, I don't know.
Because that's today, which was nothing. What the mood is this cock? Card number was activated for increase. That's old today, 21. Oh, bro, you know what it is? That's the business account. That's the 750. I'm like, what is going on here, bro? Like, I'm losing my mind here. No, but you know what the problem is? Because the business account isn't on my personal.
That's so weird though, because you guys haven't been there.
Yeah, so it's on a business profile. If I'm on my, because I'm on my personal, I'm like, what the hell is happening with my money here? Okay, sorry about that, Chad. I had a brain fart there. I figured it out eventually. I figured it out, Chad. If it's coming from a different bank, it could take up to 24 hours. I figured it out. No keys. Yeah. The FIFA Street days, bro. Oh my word. But back to, sorry, guys. Who asked me about the account? I don't know. Okay. New challenge. So what was the issue? I'm trying to buy a Vault Fund. Every time I click on pick challenge, nothing happens. Okay. So let's go a two-step assessment. Where do I go? Start challenge. Account type, account balance. Let's just say 50k USD. Vault Funder, MT5. Profit share is there. So well, hold on. Where are you seeing account type? I pick on it. I pick challenge. Nothing happens. I don't know, brother. I don't know what part you're having the issue with, to be honest. Because there's here purchase, choose one challenge, start here, two-step assessment, which you can do. USD, if I had to go ZAR, I can choose it as well. Everything's fine on my side, brother. Like, I can click, if I click $10K, it lights up. If I click the 25, that lights up. Obviously, Vault NT5, then your stuff. So everything's happening on my side, bro. So I'm not seeing what issue you having. I figured it out now. Keys lol. Okay. I found it. Don't worry. Okay, cool, brother. Cool. Alright, guys. Nas, there we go. That's what we were talking about. We want to see that bullish turnaround. There we go. So perfectly, guys. I think US30. This is what I'm gonna look for. We get a break above here now. I'm gonna take a shot at this. Jeff, I'm just going to your screen quickly.
All good.
I think go pee.
All good. So it's just us again. Takiri, yeah. So that is basically it's well, if you study the dealing range, consolidation, accumulation, well, basically AMD. If you study that, you'll see that usually that is where fair value per se is offered at fair value gap slash imbalances. Palm Beach Peter, hello to everyone. Wishing you all good things and successful trades or great lessons learned. Thank you, Palm Beach Peter. Thank you, man. Yo, I don't know. I feel like it's best to to let go of the attachment and move on. So it's same for me. I can't do anything. It's either I want to see GU do something like this, or see GU do this, or alternatively see GU run all the way down to this demand zone down here with the S1, and then rise, and then on EU. So either want to see price trade down to this level and rise, or alternatively want to see price reach these highs and then basically drop. And then on gold, I want to see gold basically tap into this fair value gap and demand zone at 23.35 for longs. USD, I want to see price trade into this demand zone, the S1 for longs. And then on Nasdaq, I want to see shorts or longs depending on where they get it. Like, it's a matter of waiting. Oh, I don't know. I think you must make peace with that as well, my man. If they are, we think they are, I don't think they're going to refund.
Also, guys, just a heads up for the guys that are joining so far. Really appreciating the support. But as I said, because we manually have to do everything right now, obviously Chris has meetings. I'm on stream with you guys right now. So we're going to start getting to it as literally as soon as we can. So literally when I get home, get on my PC, get into the emails, so I can start going through them, getting you guys your stuff. So just please bear with us. You guys obviously know where we are. We're not running anywhere. You will be added to the group. It's just a case of, like I said, for this first week, we manually are going to do everything. So it's not going to be as instant as we'd like. But it's just, again, another apology for that. What we just actually literally quickly, Chris and myself spoke about. For that, literally, we're going to give you guys a week on top of it as well for your next thing. So you'll have a month and a week. Just as a little bit of a sorry for just gonna have to wait a little bit. So as I said, literally by tonight we're gonna start getting through those emails, so you can expect either from tonight or first thing tomorrow morning to be put into the group. So please, just bear with us, guys. It will get better once the PSPs are on board. Then it will be a lot more instantaneous. But yeah, as I say, we're manually doing everything for you guys right now. Is Project G for complete beginners? Brother, it is for everyone. It is for everyone. We are going to cover every little thing you can imagine. Alright, guys. We are looking to see what's going to hold here. Yo, and I don't like, guys, it's actually USD on the higher time frame. That's breaking lower. You've still got the support. Yeah, there we go. I don't know about that anymore. Nasdaq can still turn around.
Still on my screen, eh?
Oh, damn. Yeah, so as I was saying, Nasdaq still looking, can go down. Can if you flip, but USD really looking like it can break lower. So I'm just not in liking that one too much, but gold looking good. So I think because of how late it is in the session, it is a Thursday. If anything, guys, I think I might even actually take the shot on gold than the other two. But again, I'm not going to try to force anything. It's Thursday. It's almost the end of the week. Today or tomorrow is end of month end. So yeah, I'm not going to try force something unnecessarily, guys. Please explain Keeg's brief summary. I can't find where you spoke about it. King Shaq, I can't tell you exact time, brother. If you go to the very beginning, like the part where we finish the analysis, so after me, when I do my analysis, then Jev does his. Just after Jev's analysis, that time we're waiting for the markets to open, I know I spoke about it there. So if you just go back to the beginning, bro, even just after Jev's analysis, I spoke about it there. King Shaq, it's not that I don't want to help you, brother. I really don't want to sound like a broken record for everyone else the whole time, yeah. Hoe lang fight withdrawals van de wanneer mensen die challenge could pass? Once you've passed it, so once you pass your challenges, you have to do 30 days. So remember, you have to do your 30 days on the live account. After the 30 days, you can request your withdrawal. Then it's a case of you just have to do your KYC documents. Once KYC documents are done and everything, your withdrawal should be, depending on how long you take with your KYC docs, can be anything from 2 to maybe 3 days. Let's even say worst case 4 days. 2 to 4 days. I understand you, bro. Appreciate it, brother. Naz is moving. Hey, is it? Okay, well, bearish. The other way. USD to 3,800. Yeah. Yeah, there's the break lower. Here's my Forex insights. 21 minutes into the stream. Hey, there we go. On what platform is it going to be? WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord? We're going to have it on Discord, brother. We prefer it out of all the other ones. Just makes everything more professional. It's a way to also break up the categories that everything's going to be handled. And as I said, for the things we have coming in the future, it's a lot easier for our guys to embed those things on the back end into Discord. So that's kind of why we've gone Discord. What are KYC docs? Know your trader. So yeah. Well, in KYC, it's technically know your client, but we all refer to it in trading as know your trader, but know your client. So it's all, and it's just proof of ID, proof of residence, your bank details, where you'd want payments to go to, all of that. So as I say, guys, we might get the move to the downside. DXY. This is interesting, guys. Pays yourself. This is interesting. DXY holding out at the weekly pivot, but gold's still looking bullish. NAS. The thing is, guys, where you know one of the things happening here. The reason I think gold isn't is purely because of the geopolitical tensions right now. That's the whole thing with Israel and all that right now. That's kicking off. Keys that US study 3.15 strategy doesn't have a loss this week. No, it doesn't, bro. It doesn't. It's been killing it. It really has been killing it. I'm glad to see you guys actually using it already. I only accept crypto. I'm sure must not find out. It is what you call in Botswana, the people zero. What strat is that, Keegs? It's a US study strat we've been testing. Cheers, gents. Off to Germ. Cheers, brother. Go hit those PRs. Yo. I think, honestly, guys, the more I'm actually looking at this now, what everything's doing, I don't think I'm actually going to take a trade here. Markets just really are a bit all over the place right now. Not following, like, proper movement.
Let's just slow down the market, man.
What's that now?
Let's just slow down the market.
Yeah, but now I think, bro, this is purely month end now.
Market makers buying groceries.
I have no clue what this music is, bro.
Vibes.
Boom, 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 boom. The Batman of YouTube. Yeah, guys, this is just getting messy now. I'm surprised. Wait, isn't this like close to your US study zone now?
Yeah, but I have to wait for a nice little pattern to present itself there. The 1 minute coming down with so much momentum. Let's hope against a little pullback and then price coming back down towards the zone.
No trade zone for me. Off to gym. Stay safe, people. Remember, capital is what? Capital is a position. Hey, Alex dropping the gems. Cheers, brother. Have a good one. I am vengeance. I am not. I am YouTube man. Bum, 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 bum. Long on Nasdaq challenge, stop loss. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Naughty, naughty.
So guys, quick question. Why do Forex traders like dogs?
What?
Why do traders like dogs?
Dogs, like a dog.
Yeah. Anyone know why traders love dogs? I can't just give it away though.
Ed, I'm sorry to book a flight to PE just to chill and trade with you. Hey. Ed, bring in the guys here to PE. I honestly want to hear the answer to this though.
Let's see if someone in the chat knows. Why do traders love dogs? I don't think anyone knows this.
I feel like this would be such a dumb answer, bro.
Because we're looking for a positive trend.
Guys. See, that is a witness. He's becoming a dad now. That's a witness right there. It's all the proof we need.
Are you still looking to take something, Keeks?
Try the speeches with that, Jeff. You can see you becoming a dad with these jokes. Hey. Probably not, bro. Markets are dead.
Okay.
Dad jokes for the win. Keeks read my mind. Jeff, don't quit your day job. I bet the guy who invented windowsills. What a ledge. Oh my word. That was at least better than your one, bro. It's because rich people are more likely to afford their expenses like food, vaccines, and toys.
This man made it emotional now. Not emotional, but like
Serious.
no, it's serious now. Like yo,
Gloomy. Gloom and gloom. Bro, vet bills are mad, bro. Yo. I don't want to talk about vet bills. Holy crap. When you got it, yes, bro, my girlfriend, so now basically we obviously have our 2 cats. Bro, if that cat looks at you wrong, baby, it needs to go to the vet. He's not well. He's not. And and the best thing, no. She won't do it like normal time. She'll do it when it's like emergency hours, when it's double the bill. And I'm like, my fuck. Every Saturday when we got those cats, every Saturday my cat was at the vet to go see the vet. Basically, just traumies now. They'd go for a visit and be like, hey, how you know, like, how much you weigh today? Let's have a look. Nah, let's just stick a little thing up your bum. Nope, everything's good. You lacquer, go home, have a good weekend. But Keegan, first, you come here. Hey, double the bill, my brother. Come. Yes, bro.
Yeah, but it's life. It's life.
I got a German Shepherd a month ago, and I've already paid the price for him to the vet. Yeah, literally. What I realized, I want to back as a rich person's pet. They live better lives than I do. No, those cats are vicious. Yo, Carl, you know, bro. Chad is following the market today all over the place. Yo, you can't get clear market moves, yo, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. My puppy's name is G, by the way. Hey, keeps paying the rent there at the vet. Yeah, bro. Yes, sis.
I always say that if you want like the healthiest animals, get yourself a pavement special.
Bro, 100%.
Those
It's
things survive.
the what's the name? The pure.
They don't need to eat. They don't need to wash. They don't even need water.
Bro,
They just
it's
survive.
always the pedigrees. Those are the ones that are the high maintenance. Yes. sis. Pavement special, no problem, bro. No problem.
He is the solution.
Bro, vet trip is more expensive than a trip for ourselves, 100%. Chad and G stop loss to BE. Hey. Oh, well, it's not much of a move, bro. You entered like, yeah, didn't you? And our stop loss to be... I mean, maybe it's because you want to see a certain move, but... They dubs, bro. Our cats nice, Keegs. Bro, I must say I love them. They are like our children. I've grown up with cats. I definitely am a dog person. Like, I love dogs, and I like big dogs. Like, if I can drop kick it over the wall, it's not a dog.
Kaylin, the thing is, if you choose your pavement special, you must choose wisely. we had little Jack Russell, with green eyes, Hazel. So someone stole Hazel. My mom was sad. Then there was this lady with pavement special dogs, but the one dog had a blue eye, which is very unique. So my mom took the dog. Pavement special.
Yeah.
Our pit bull. Ooh, that thing, when he gets sick, it's a problem. However, that pavement special, that thing is so smart. She would come call us when Diesel is sick, and never been sick in her life.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, proper able. So I've also got a husky as well. But yeah, the thing is, so funny enough, I'm also like allergic to cats, but our cats are non highly energetic, so you don't have the issues with them. But dog person with cats are self-sufficient. Yeah, the same with owls, bro. Funny enough, they both like very, very pedigree cats. So the one is just, she had a breed, she'll take your face off, but very cute. And then the other one's just a complete baby, like a proper baby. Like, it has to be stuck to you by the hip. Like when it sleeps on your face. It's yeah. So yeah, love them to bits, but yeah, at least they can do their own thing. Dogs from the hood, Jeff. Nah, Keys, if Naz doesn't move, I don't want to remain in this trade. No, White Rabbit, that's what I said, bro. I thought that's what you're probably thinking. You're at least up. Like, if it comes down, it's probably coming down. So you're just going to break even's a good move. Basically just managing the trade. That's all it is. But good management, I think. Yeah, because if you reject Asia highs, I think you can come back down. Otherwise, this thing must break. I mean, if you look on a 5-yard, traded, reject, this thing can come break the lows and pump to the downside. So yeah, I think it's just good risk management, bro. But yeah, guys, as I said, I'm not gonna lie to you. I would have loved the break above here, but we're not getting it. Naz playing around. Gold still just hanging around there at the EQ. It is holding above this zone, but just hanging around. As I said, guys, keep in mind tomorrow's month end, so not really the best trading conditions. As I said, also fundamentally, I love taking a trade where there's a reason behind my trades. Gold's the only one which is following the reason right now. Everything else, the way it's moving, not following the right reasons. So I would just be going against having a value behind the trade. So personally for myself, I think that is going to be it, guys. And there we have it, BE. Hey, White Rabbit, bro, keep in mind, if you didn't lose, that's still a W day, bro. You're part of the 5% that didn't lose today. So still a W day. Jeff, then I think we might as well call it, bro.
Yeah.
So any closing remarks there from your side, brother?
From my side, guys, don't force it. Like literally, there's nothing in the market. If you do get something, you probably let me not say you're lucky, but don't force anything, guys. Don't force anything.
Yeah. Kaylin, Kiji, market Asia range between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. Yes, 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. Nice one, Keegs. Big up, Jevs. Hey, appreciate it, brother. So yeah, guys, as I said, Project G, there's the link, the pre-live basically. So it is live. We'll be adding you guys now later tonight, going into tomorrow. So please don't think you're not getting added. We've got everything here. We will be sorting you guys out. It's just the fact that literally Chris and myself manually are doing everything for now until next week. So just give us time to get home, get on our PCs, and we can start getting into that for you guys. So yeah, you can start joining there. The first prep call will be on Sunday, and then going into next week, guys, as we start off June the right way, the first news event with the group, NFP, baby. So looking forward to it, especially after what today showed us. How to trade or how many to take. Just want some advice on challenge account. How to trade or how many to take. Now lottery, I don't know how that answers anything. You want some advice on a challenge account, but you want to know how to trade or how many to take. That doesn't help me, brother. So I sent pics of G to also we'll check it out there, bro. But other than that, guys, stay safe, be safe, and again, just as ourselves, you don't see something on the markets, don't force it. It probably isn't trading conditions. It's not meant to be a day to trade. As we always say, it's not freaking Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. So when you guys decide to be percent or total pips, Peter, that's a big different one. Normally I'd say about 50% of the move I'd go break even. So wherever my TP is, if I hit 50% of that, I'd go break even. Or depending if it trades ranging, I want to just get out early for risk management. Depending on certain levels of resistance or support, I would go B as well. So that's very dependent. I thought there's no lives today. No, we're back today, brother. It wasn't yesterday. Like tomorrow and the chat, how many trades would you advise to take in a day? Now last thing, I only take 2, brother. 2 shots a day. That's a max. Doesn't mean I have to take 2. That's just the max of what I will take. So there we go, Chad. Peace and love, baby. We're going to see you guys tomorrow. And also, guys, keep yourselves on the lookout. Tomorrow, we will be giving away that Millie account for the celebration launch of the guys that pre-registered for Project G. And secondly, on the road to 9K, guys. So if you guys can drop a like, support the channel. When we hit 9K, we will be giving away 9 10K Vault Funded challenge accounts. So don't miss out. Other than that, peace and love, baby. We'll see you on the flip side. Cheers, Chad.
Good chat.